Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another Halloween video. Can't wait. Today is going to be a Harley Quinn look because it's kind of simple but also complicated. Anyway, yeah, so I'm even going to spray my hair. I don't know why it's so bright. My camera looks like it's so bright. I think it's because... Is that better? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to start by just putting my hair back for right now, out of the way, so I can get all the makeup stuff done. I don't have the clothes to do Harley Quinn, but I'm still going to do the face and the hair. So, yeah. That done. I'm just getting it back out of my way for right now. So we're just going to toss it up top of our head. And kind of like a bun type situation. But anyway, yeah. This should be fun. Never done Harley Quinn, so we'll see. It still looks really bright. I think it's the camera. Let's see. Let's try to turn this down some more. Is that better, y'all? It's still bright. Why is it so bright? I don't know. I got a new camera, so I'm trying to figure it out. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. It has a microphone on it, which I'm hoping is working. I've got it turned on, as long as my battery don't die on it. So, yeah. Anyway, I don't know. But first, we're going to start with moisturizing our face, because you always want to do that before you put makeup on. I'm not the best in skincare to tell you this, but I'm working on it. I'm working on seeing a dermatologist. I went to the esthetician and got some of it cut out, but she couldn't do some of it because it's too deep, so I have to go to a dermatologist. Yeah. So, y'all probably see my mirror in the side, but it's okay. Y'all know what it is. I don't know what that white spot is on my... Oh, it's my pen. Y'all see something? It's my pen. Anyway. So this camera's probably going to be way more HD than what I'm used to. So my ring light's not on as bright as it usually is, but hopefully I can do this. Okay, so we're going to take a very light, very light colored makeup. I hope that's enough to make it really light. But if not, then I'm going to have to... Okay, y'all. Maybe I got it fixed. I had to go and adjust the EV settings on it. So hopefully I got it fixed. Let's hope. But anyway. I am finishing up my foundation. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows with my Morphe pencil. I'm just going over them because my eyebrows are pretty almost just like hers. I'm just making them a little bit more sharp. More pronounced, I guess is what you would call it. So yeah. You know, I was going back and watching some of my videos from back when I first started doing YouTube. I'm like, oh my gosh, why did I talk like that? But then I started realizing I'm getting older, so I'm guessing that my voice is not as cute and sweet as it used to be. But yeah. You know, I'm probably going to be fast forwarding through a lot of this while I'm doing it, so look over me. So I have pink and blue. I have a pink eyeshadow though. Pretty sure I do. My Carnival palette. And voila, I have pink. So, And that, we're going to start with pink. I'm just going to coat that on my eyelid. And of course you want to go over a little bit because we're going to go under as well. Because I'm gonna do actual like marks down through here in a minute. You want to make sure it's good on there. So pink. Now I have another brush to do the blue with. I think we will do this one. Voila. So this one I'm going to go in the 18 Hit Wonders Elf palette. Oh, that's what all of me. Whatever. And get the blue. Which I think this one's going to have more fallout than the other one. But whatever. It's blue. So. And yes, we're going to do liquid eyeliner too. It's going to be a little bit more difficult with these bright of colors, but we'll get it done. I was about to go on the other side. Did y'all see that? Okay. Okay. You can see which eyeshadow is better. This is the better brand than this one. Whatever. I have these that I'm going to use to go down here. I'll probably go over it with the shadow though. We'll see how it works. So this is a really simple look. I mean, it's not a whole lot to go into it. I think the most is going to be the hair. I'm hoping my battery holds up. Like I say, this is a new camera. I actually got it from a yard sale. And so I don't know how good the battery is. Hoping it's good though. Why does this not want to come out? Are you kidding me right now? Anyway, okay. Here goes the pink. See how good it does. Okay. We're just going to do like this. Make it where it comes out. Is that even doing anything? Kinda. It doesn't even really show up, does it? Not really. Like the worst pink ever. So we're just gonna go over with the eyeshadow then. I feel like it's pink. Doesn't show up very well. So we'll just top it off with some pink eyeshadow on top of it to make it look better. Really bright pink, ain't it? Yeah. It's really bright. This blue looks really good over here though, so I don't know if I'm really I'll do it just to even it out. think my next makeup look is going to be, I'm going to do Sally at some point from Nightmare Before Christmas, or whichever one it is she's on. I think that's what it's called. I've never watched it, so I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to do that one day, and then I'm going to do kind of like a artist type thing, to where I do have my face like what, I don't know. I'm not gonna spoil it just in case I don't get to do it. Then I'll do it next year. So now we're gonna go in and do our wings. I don't think she's got huge wings, just small ones, but still. I'm using these really. I don't want to do these or the other ones. I want to do these. They're really, really pretty, really thick eyelashes, but I thought about trying to glue my lips and make them bigger, but we can overline them, it's fine. These are called So Flirty by Kiss. Didn't know if y'all seen that or not. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm gonna do my face tattoo, which goes, I believe, on this side. But anyway, yeah. It's going to be a heart right here, and it's supposed to say rotten. But I'm debating if I want to do the rotten or not, because I've seen looks without it, so I don't know. We'll see. How far over is her? Come on. This one's showing on the blue side. All the rest of them showing on the pink side. So we're doing it on the pink side. It's kind of like right under her eye. So yeah, I don't know if I'm going to do the rotten or not, because that's going to, I'm out of eyeliner, pretty much. And it's going to be complicated to do the rotten one. I mean, I could. Don't think I couldn't. Let's try it. Screw it. Good enough. Okay, are those dry? I think so. I'm just going to go over it with some eyeliner. And then we'll do our lips and our hair. It's not really red enough. Nope. Let's try this one. And yes, I went overboard a little bit and made my lips look bigger. Who cares? So I'll leave that out for a minute. Okay, so now to our hair. This comes, the hair comes to more. I'm not going to smear this yet because I'm going to do my hair first. But to do my hair, I'm trying to see if I can tell how much battery I have left. It's very close, y'all. Very close. So anyway, I'm going to go off camera and do my hair. I'm just going to curl it with this. And then I'm going to come back with the final look because my battery is about to die. But anyway, just part it, pigtails, spray the ends, curl it, and then I'm going to come back and show you. Okay? So this is our almost finished look. I'm going to do the whole smear thing and then that'll be it. But yeah, this is after I did my hair. I put on pigtails, curled it, and colored it somewhat. See, I missed some spots over here. But whatever. I just used these from Walmart. It is the Aura Pink and Color Hairspray Front Knot. And then this is the Cryptic Blue. I just used these on my hair. So hopefully they come out. They smell really good. They don't smell bad. They kind of smell like a cologne smell, but whatever. So we're going to do this. Hang on. So this is our finished look. I like it, like I say, I'm missing the necklace, I'm missing the outfit, all that stuff. But other than that, pretty good. So I'm about to video my intro and then that'll be it. But I hope you guys like this look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Yeah, as you can see, I still have my 2 tattoos. Not bad, I don't think. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you're not already. Love you.